YouTube television versus FuboTV 2025. Don't choose the wrong one. Picking the wrong live television streaming service can ruin your viewing experience. YouTube television and FuboTV look similar, but the differences matter more than most people realize. YouTube television offers a clean interface, unlimited cloud and strong local channel coverage. It's designed for simplicity and reliability. FuboTV is sports-focused. If you love soccer, international sports, or niche leagues, FuboTV stands out immediately. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on price. Content matters more. YouTube TV excels with news, entertainment, and major sports. FuboTV dominates with sports variety. YouTube TV is truly unlimited, which is a huge advantage for families. FuboTV has different limits depending on your plan. Streaming quality is strong on both, but YouTube television is generally more consistent across devices. The surprising truth is that FuboTV feels like a sports network, while YouTube television feels like cable replacement. If sports are your priority, FuboTV is hard to beat. If you want balance, YouTube television wins. In 2025, choosing the wrong service means missing what you love most. Pick based on content, not hype. Subscribe for more streaming comparisons that save you money.